Um, so I wanted to talk about the previous idea. I will make this mathematically precise, probably within this month. So I will write all the required mathematics to understand it. But so what I imagine is you have a system of networks, and those systems, each network describes an idea, and the network of connections describe all the possible details that could describe the idea, so all the gaps. So sometimes you need to move between like different kind of connections in order to explain something. And then there is an issue that like an idea might be like rearranged with respect to other things and gets configured with respect to other things as well, and that causes everything to shift out, so to speak, and causes redefining things to happen, which is why you get like things like incompleteness theorem and stuff like that, in my opinion. So what I was envisioning is just like a network of connections, and that network has meta connections between them, where you explain the gaps, so to speak, which is why I think that like you get that you could explain a certain proof idea by changing representation, and that works. And in my opinion, what happens if you model all ideas like that, then you're making things precise with respect to a more grander scheme. So let's just recap. Is just you have a bunch of networks of connections, and then you have meta connections between those networks, and everything gets reconfigured and reassembled with respect to each other at the boundary level, with respect to the meta network and with respect to each of the network involved. So that causes a lot of logical, sometimes you can have statements where not only you can have statements where you can not prove or prove, but you also have a meta system where you cannot really like a meta system where you can also not prove like in a global structural information. You cannot prove there will be statements that get redefined all the time, so you cannot prove those statements. So I would like to explore this meta mathematically and mathematically speaking. And I hope you guys enjoy my channel, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.